الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. قال الإمام رحمه الله تعالى, chapter number 3, باب العرايا. That is an exceptional case in this chapter from بيع المزابنة. We mentioned before that there is بيع called المزابنة in which there is unknown amount or unknown description or something that may have deceivement, so the Prophet ﷺ forbade it. So here الحديث الحادي والستون بعد المئتين, حديث number 261 عن زيد بن ثابت رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم رخص لصاحب العرية أن يبيعها بخرصها, البخاري ومسلم, ولمسلم بخرصها تمرة يأكلونها رطبا. So here the Prophet ﷺ allowed, gave permission for a person who has kind of a palm tree that he can sell it with its estimation in return to take dates if he has on the palm tree rotab. Okay, again we mentioned what is the difference between tamr and rotab. Who remembers what is tamr and what is rotab? It's a state of the fruit. So the tamr is dry, very good, and the rotab is wet, juicy. This is rotab. Okay. So in summertime, the Sahaba radiallahu anhum, they were very poor and they have nothing. So when it comes to summertime, they want what, rotab or tamr? What do you think? Of course, rotab, juicy, wet. So they have some tamr, but they don't have money, and they want the rotab on the palm tree to eat, to buy it from someone, but they don't have money to go to buy rotab, but they have what? Tamr. So can we exchange? We took that it is not allowed. Why? Because if you want to buy 1 kilo of dates, you should give 1 kilo of dates. Even different quality. Then you make it 2 transactions. You sell first and take money, and you go to buy the different quality. But you cannot give 2 kilo of dates from poor quality to take 1 kilo of dates from high quality. This is haram in Islam. And we took it in grapes and raisins and so on. So here, the Prophet ﷺ gave one exception with conditions. This exception was called al-araya, or khars al-araya. Khars is kind of estimation. To give estimation from the experts about that rotab on the palm tree, if it will be dates around how many kilos, it will be like this. Then you bring, for example, 5 kilos of dates, I will give you this branch of rotab. Second condition, after bringing expert for estimation, that you take it immediately. You cannot make any postpone. So he gives you the rotab on the tree, and you give him the dates. Third condition, that you should not have money, no cash. If you don't have cash, of course nowadays it's very rare, but in case someone doesn't have cash, nor cards of course, no money, but he has dates and he needs this rotab, then they can do this exchange on an exceptional case. Yeah. So this one we have taken it, and the fourth condition, they say also it should not increase more than 5 wasaq. We took that 1 wasaq equals, who remembers? Okay, 5 wasaq is the nisab for zakat al-zuru'a, 5 awsaq. So 1 wasaq equals
40 kilo.
Huh?
40 kilo.
No.
200.
No.
1 sa.
1 wasaq?
1 sa.
60 sa. 60. 1 wasaq is 60 sa.
100.
So 5 by
150.
huh?
150.
150 what?
Kilo.
100.
It depends.
Yes.
It depends. So for example, for the rice we calculated was around,
2.5.
no, it was around more than 300 kilos. That is the nisab of rice.
Yes.
Okay, so here, if you calculate, you will find that for tamr it will be a bit lower, yes. Maybe around 200, 250, something like this, kilos of dates, not more than this. Why? Because for personal use, no one will. And this is exceptional just for personal use, for the need of having rotab and you don't have cash, but you have some dates. And this was for the Medina. And Sheikh al-Islam Ibn Taymiyyah, he said this is permissible for all fruits in other countries in same condition. You have raisins, and it's summer and you want the grapes. Same, you make accurate estimation. These grapes brings how many kilos of raisins? You don't have cash, not more than like 200 kilos, and you should give and take in the same time, no postponing. هذا والله أعلم والحمد لله رب العالمين.